Hello, in this video segment, we're going to replace the batteries in a 2010 GMC Terrain. If you're not a subscriber, hit that button, become a subscriber right away. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do, we're going to lift the hood. You will find your battery on the driver's side of the vehicle. Now, all my subscribers know safety is always first. So make sure you are wearing safety glasses because you never know what a battery would do, even a dead battery. Say what? So it's best to be safe than sorry. It also don't hurt to wear disposable gloves. You never know, especially if you have a battery that has acid on it. You just want to protect your skin. First thing I'm going to do is remove this cover from the ECM. You can just pretty much just slide it back. We have a 10mm bolt right here. We're going to remove. We have another 10mm right here. Prefer to use a deep well 10mm socket. Next, we're going to remove these garments. Just going to flip the cover right over so we can free up the lever here that's holding in the ECM. Just fold your cover over. Again, we need our 10mm. We have a bolt here to remove. Now we can lift up on our ECM, move it over to the side. We finally at the battery. You want to disconnect your negative battery post first. Again, we need a 10mm. It don't take much. Once you loosen up the bolt, just pull your post straight up. Do the same for your positive. We're going to use a wrench for our positive battery post. Just turn your battery post, move it to the side. Lift your battery straight up. It is definitely helpful if your battery have a handle that you can actually pull up on. As you can see, this one do not. It will really help to have one that has a handle on it. I don't know if this one had a handle on it and someone took it off. We have a die-hard here that we're going back with. A die-hard gold. It has a handle. So it's going to be much easier to actually go back with this die-hard than it was to pull out this AC deco. And I noticed the bottom is wet. I don't know if that is just from rain or is that some type of battery acid. It pays to wear disposable gloves just to protect your skin. Take your time installing your battery. Do not hurt your back. Now we can remove any safety cover that we may have on our new battery. Connect your positive. We're going to go in reverse. Connect the positive first, negative last. Cover our battery post. Now we will connect our negative battery post. We have our negative post tightened down. Place back the ECM. Once you have all the bolts and nut back on your ECM, tighten it down.
Place back the cover. Install your garments.
Then we'll slide back on our guard for our ECM. Well, that's all it takes to change the battery. Now all we have to do is start her up and reset the radio.
Now you know how to replace the battery in your own GMC Terrain. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.